Hello and thank you for checking out my YouTube channel. My name is Joe and today I will show you how to turn your existing home theater system into an amazing system by adding a projector. In this video, I will be using my existing surround sound system, pre-installed projector screen, and my new AAXA L500 projector. I will focus on showing you how easy to use this projector as an addition to my home theater system because of its great built-in features. Before I proceed, I invite you to subscribe to my channel now so you get notified whenever I publish new ideas and videos to enhance your entertainment systems at home. I will pause for a few seconds to get you a chance to click that subscribe and like buttons. Alright, first things first, this L500 projector comes with the following accessories. So we have the user manual. This will be your full reference guide as to how to use this item. You will need this because I won't be able to cover all the uses of this projector in this video. And this is the main projector unit, okay? It looks like this. This is the back of the projector. And this is the front. Later on, I will describe the main features of this projector. It also comes with the power adapter, a remote control, all right, and an AV cable in case you need it. I won't be using this in this video, but just in case you need it for your setup, you have it. In a moment, I will show you how I integrate or connect this projector into my existing home theater system and home surround sound system to enhance my home and have the best movie watching experience. But before that, here are the key features of this projector. Its limited edition 30,000 hour LED engine delivers superior brightness and image quality. Its native 1080 pixel resolution with 550 LED lumens delivers a vibrant 120-inch display. This is brighter than most projectors out there. Its remote electric focus and four-way horizontal and vertical keystone offers fine adjustments to ensure a crisp and distortion-free projection. It also has built-in app store that supports many of the latest streaming apps out there, like Disney+, Netflix, YouTube, and so on and so forth. It supports Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity. It also supports wireless mirroring for iOS and Android devices, including Samsung Smart View. Alright, so with that being said, I'm very excited to show you how to set this up and use this projector to watch a movie at home on a big screen. Alright? In this setup, we will only need 3 items. Alright, the first thing we need is this L500 projector. Since this projector already comes with built-in streaming apps like YouTube, Netflix, and Disney+, all we need is play the movie or the video directly from the projector. We won't need any other device or streaming device like iPhone or tablet or anything like that, right? We won't even need a TV, okay? So, we will also need a sound bar or any good speaker system, all right? Here at home, I love using my 5.1 speaker system that uses Bose in-ceiling speakers and an Onkyo receiver that supports Bluetooth. Keep in mind that you can use the 10-watt speaker that is built into this projector, and while it can work, obviously it will not be the same as using a surround sound system. Alright? And finally, we will also need a projector screen. I will be using my pre-installed projector screen here at home. Alright, this time I am going to show you how to connect this projector to my home surround sound system using Bluetooth. Alright? This is really great, guys, because you do not have to deal with wires and cords. Alright? We're just using wireless connections. The setup looks very neat. Alright? Please note that many of these steps that I will be describing here can also be followed for connecting to a soundbar or any speaker that supports Bluetooth connectivity. Okay, so this is how the settings menu looks like. And to connect the projector to the speaker, the Bluetooth enabled speaker, I go to settings and then Bluetooth settings, and I would see all the Bluetooth enabled devices over here. I can see the Onkyo receiver is already connected, and that's because I connected that earlier. But if I disconnect it, it would look like that. All right. And to connect to the receiver, I just select it, and then in just a few seconds it says connected. So from now on, each time I play a video from the projector, you would hear the sound on my surround sound system. All right, so that's it. Okay, so that is all you need to do. All right, we should now be able to watch a movie using the projector and the surround sound. All right, now at this moment, I will show you a quick demo of watching a movie on the big screen using this projector. All right, I'll just show you a quick demo of how the menu looks like, right? And you can see here, like I said earlier, you see the streaming apps, right? You have YouTube, Prime Video, Disney Plus, Netflix, and you can also add apps, right? You can literally download streaming apps from the App Store, right? Which is great, right? And to watch a movie, right? I'm gonna use Netflix this time, okay? So obviously you have to have the Netflix accounts and Prime Video accounts and Disney Plus accounts to be able to watch a movie there, right? And in my case, I already connected my Netflix, or I already logged in to my Netflix account to be able to watch a movie in my projector, all right? So I click on the Netflix app and it will bring up the application. I select the profile that I log into. All right, and from here I can search for the movie and then just click play. And this is how the movie looks like. And notice how crisp the picture is, all right? And once I play it, notice how good the sound as well, because I'm using the surround sound system that I have at home. All right, it's a really amazing experience, guys. You would probably not want to go to the theater anymore. Just watch movies at home, use streaming apps, Disney Plus, Netflix, and so on and so forth. All right? Enjoy.
You wouldn't be doing me a favor.
Well, next time you have my word.
It's funny, your sister said the same thing.
So that's it, guys. Now, if you have a smartphone or a tablet and you want to rather use that to stream the movie, all you need to do is mirror your phone to the projector and it will accomplish the same thing. All right? You can simply follow the user manual on how to do that. Now, I invite you to try this at home, and if you have a question or you need any help, please put all of them in the comments below. I will try to respond as soon as possible. Okay? Enjoy and happy watching, and please do not forget to click the subscribe and like buttons below and click that notification bell as well.